Why Jewish people are wealthy? Surprisingly, it is true that Jews are wealthier than other religions. Just look around you. You will find that you too know a rich Jewish person, and it's nothing new that Jews have always been known for their wealth. But do you know why most Jews are wealthy? Let's know some reasons behind this mystery. Religious beliefs. According to Jewish religious beliefs, poverty is not a sign of righteousness. So likewise, being wealthy is not considered a Jewish spiritual sin. Instead, they believe that being rich can avoid poverty and lead a respectable life. Learning and applying lessons from history. Looking back a little, you will see that even before the Second World War, the Jews were an oppressed nation. In some countries, they could not even legally own land. Then they realized that only intelligent work could be their path to success. Jews started business and collectively dominated business sectors. And it is this lesson from history that paves the way to not making more money and getting rich. Religious facilities. At one time in the past, Christianity prohibited taking interest on loans, and taking an interest in loans was considered a sin in Islam. So Muslims had strict prohibitions on this matter. In Judaism, on the other hand, there was and still is no such prohibition or strictness regarding the taking of interest on loans. These religious facilities were used very well by the Jews, and they did not spend vast sums of money. Proper education. Recent statistics show that Jews have the highest literacy rate, nearly 100%. After being abused in various ways, they realized long ago that education is the only thing for their improvement. So they all focus on getting the proper education, which is crucial in influencing their global economy. Banking system. Jews first introduced the banking system in various parts of Europe. Proper use of money by transacting through banks has kept them ahead in the global economy. They were able to continue lending money and collecting interest through banks. Jews also believe that 10 to 20% of their earnings should be spent on charity and religious work, but they don't always want to rely on charity and become a burden on their community. Instead, they want all of them to be able to earn more.